Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to install VirtualBox in Ubuntu and what's the easiest way to do it. So let's see what's VirtualBox. So VirtualBox, yeah. So in the VirtualBox we can run any OS inside our Ubuntu machine like Windows or any kind of OS we need to install. So like maybe another Linux distro as well, maybe a Debian one, maybe Manjaro one, or any kind of distro you need to install. So let's see how to do that. So first take your terminal, then press then type sudo apt get update to update to repositories. Then you have to run the command sudo apt get install VirtualBox. That's all you need to type. Then press Y. So it will has 172 megabytes. So I'll pause the video here and it's just installed. Okay. So then the only thing you have to do is go and search for the VirtualBox. Yeah, here we go. Now we have successfully installed the VirtualBox in our laptop. So let's see in the next videos how to install Windows or any other Linux distro inside this virtual machine. Okay guys, let's see in the next video.